Welcome to Marketplace Connector by CedCommerce, your key to effortless integration between your BigCommerce store and marketplace. In this demo, we'll guide you through the steps to navigate the app independently and efficiently. On the BigCommerce App Store, search for Marketplace Connector by CedCommerce and click on Get this app. Log into existing BigCommerce Store if you already have one. Enter your store details and click on Continue. Click on Install. Go through the access updates and click on Confirm. Connect your store with the marketplace. Confirm the basic prerequisites, select your country, and go through the privacy policy before accepting it. Now, click on Connect with Amazon. You will be redirected to the dashboard of the integration tool. You can map your products and assign them to the right category from the Category Template section. Go to the Manage Products section to upload bulk products and sync stock and price of single products. In the Product Linking section, you can link your marketplace products with their existing BigCommerce counterparts. In the Orders section, you can view the current status of your orders. The Settings section shows your BigCommerce and marketplace account details. From the Feed section, you can view the data that is sent to the marketplace. Select the best plan according to your business requirements from the Pricing section. On the dashboard, you can get an overview of all the products, orders, and activities in real time. The product status shows the current status of the products. You can find all the details by clicking on View Products. Similarly, you can view the real-time order and product linking statuses. On the top right corner of the dashboard, you can see your marketplace store details. Here, you can also add a new account. You can also view your pricing plan and latest activities on the dashboard. Go to the Category Template section and click on Create Default Template to create one. Select the right category and map marketplace attributes with BigCommerce attributes. In the Manage Products section, you can view the different statuses of the products in each list. Here, you can also perform actions on individual or multiple products. To perform more actions, go to the top right corner to the More Actions button. Here, you can import products from BigCommerce and sync product status from Amazon. Once the action is completed, you will be notified. You can link all your marketplace products with their BigCommerce counterparts via the Product Linking section. You can find the products that require linking, are linked, and are a close match under each list. Click on the Link Catalog button on the top right corner to initiate linking from the marketplace and BigCommerce products. In the Orders section, you can find all the orders listed under each category such as all, shipped, unshipped, created, and failed. On the top right corner, you can find the Fetch Order button, which will help you fetch marketplace orders directly from the app. Simply, click on the button, enter the order ID, and click on Fetch. In the Settings section, you can find your BigCommerce and marketplace account details. You can add new account in this section. You can also sync your price and inventory and set custom pricing from the Marketplace Settings section. You can also configure the inventory rules and order settings from this section. You can view the data sent to the marketplace in the Feed section. From the Pricing section, you can view the different plans and subscribe to the one that is most suitable for your business.